Imagine generating every possible subset, using just bits. For n elements, there are 2 to the power of n subsets. Each number from 0 to 21 represents a subset. Each bit decides, include or exclude. If a bit is on, include the element. If it's off, skip it. We loop through all masks, and use bit n to decide inclusion. Inside every array, lies an invisible pattern. What if you could generate all of them, without guessing? The answer is hidden in binary. 0 means nothing is chosen. A single bit turns on, and reality changes. Each number tells a story of inclusion. This single operation decides everything. From bits to complete combinations. Let's try run mask 5. Binary 101. We add 1, skip 2, and add 3. Same logic, works in any language. Bits equal power. Master bitmasking. Dominate interviews. What if I told you computers can check a single bit using just 2 operations? Let's look at the problem. We need to check if the Kth bit is set. For example, if n is 5 and k is 0. Remember, we count bits from the right starting at 0. Here is the core trick. Shift the number k times to the right, and then perform a bitwise n with 1. Let's try run it. 5 shifted by 0 is still 101. And that with 1 gives us 1. The bit is set. Now, 5 shifted by 1 is 10. And with 1 gives 0. Not set. Why does this work? The shift moves the target bit to the 1's position. The AND operator acts like a mask, isolating exactly that 1 bit. In Python, it's just one line. Define your function, return n right shift k, ampersand 1. Simple. It works exactly the same way in Java. The syntax is nearly identical for bitwise operations. The best part? It runs in constant time, O of 1. And constant space. It is super fast. This is used everywhere. Operating systems, encryption algorithms, networking protocols, and competitive programming. Bonus trick. You can also left shift 1 by k, and end it with n. If the result is not 0, the bit is set. Challenge for you. Check bit 3 in the number 13. Comment below before the answer appears. Shift, N, done. That's how one line of code checks any bit instantly. Thanks for watching.